Hi, this is a demo of the AI011 VCO. It's an analog VCO, and at first I wasn't going to make one because in addition to making products that are easy to build and fun to use and high quality and all that good stuff, I do like them to also be unique, and there are a lot of VCOs out there. So when I went into thinking about this design, it had to be analog because I don't know how to do digital, and I wanted to have all four of the outputs, as well as sync and interesting features there. I want it to be very stable across all the octaves, as you can see. So I went for a reissue of the 3340. What's unique to this design, my design, is that there's an expander jack on the back. And that will, in the future, allow you to use this module, this oscillator module, with other modules to get new features. I don't know what those will be yet, because I'm still prototyping that and deciding what to include and what not to, so I don't have more detail there, but look forward to that. In the meantime, let's check out some waveforms. We've been hearing saw. This is pulse. And there's a pulse width modulation knob. And when CV is plugged in to the CV input, this knob becomes an attenuator for that control voltage input. It also has FM, which we'll get to after going through the waves. Here's triangle. All outputs are buffered and 5-volt peak to peak. And finally, sine. Oh, I had a wrong note there. That's me, not the VCO. Go back to saw, or technically ramp wave. And we'll use the other VCO to modulate the FM. A little higher pitch. Oh, shoot. I just hit tune. I meant to turn down the FM. I'm going to have to retune that. Bear with me. Oh, helps find tuning the right input. There we go. Back to C. The bonus, you can see that it is highly stable and accurate. Nice. Let's go for some other features. Let's go with some sync. Put on the oscilloscope. Sync is just great. With a pulse wave, this is soft sync. And now hard sync. You really notice the hard sync more when one or both of them, the oscillators, is playing melodic content. I'll keep just kind of noodling around with sync and making cool looking waveforms here. But the AI011 analog VCO is out now. It is available at aisynthesis.com and other fine retailers. It's available as a PCB and panel, as a full kit, and as a fully built and tested unit with a warranty, just like any other module. If you are going the DIY route, I also sell the VCO chips that you need, so you can do all your shopping in one stop. Fun waveform. And that's it. I'm probably gonna noodle with this for a little while longer because I do enjoy it. But I want to thank you all for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. And in the future, I'll probably be uploading some videos where I do fun stuff like having oscillators beat together and just kind of playing melodic stuff. But I wanted this to be a pretty straightforward demo of just features and functionality. Thanks for watching.